How to fix TikTok Shop not showing. Let's get started. First off, make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok app. To check that, launch your Play Store or App Store. In the search box, type in the app name TikTok and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on the option of Update and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Navigate to the profile page, click on three bars. Find the option TikTok Studio or Creator Tools, click on that. You'll get access to TikTok Shop from this page. There are some requirements to get access to TikTok Shop. Only if you fulfill those requirements, you'll be able to get access to TikTok Shop. Or else, you will need to wait until you fulfill those requirements. If you're eligible and still you are not getting this option of TikTok Shop, what you have to do is head back, click on the option Settings and Privacy, scroll all the way down, click on Report a Problem. Now scroll down, click on Chat with Us. Now here you have to describe about the issue and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. So this way you can easily fix TikTok Shop not showing. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.